Additional heavy rain is expected in the next few hours, and flash flooding will occur. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Columbus, Whitehall, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, London, Jefferson, Big Plain, Madison Lake, West Jefferson, Minerva Park, Choctaw Lake, Ohio State University, and Lake Darby. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the official National Weather